Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of replacing the battery in your Surface Pro 4. Before starting, make sure you have the following tools: a heat gun, a plastic opening tool, a T5 Torx screwdriver, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, make sure your Surface Pro 4 is powered off completely. Disconnect any peripherals and place the device on a clean, flat surface to avoid any damage. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Be careful not to overheat the device, as excessive heat can cause damage. Once warmed, use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the screen. Start from a corner and work your way around the edges. Ensure you take your time with this step, as rushing can crack the screen. If the adhesive is stubborn, reapply heat as needed. Once the screen is loosened, carefully lift it off to expose the internal components. Now, we can see the battery. It's secured with several screws. Using your T5 Torx screwdriver, remove these screws. As you remove each screw, place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This might require a bit of wiggling. If you're unsure, check the service manual for guidance. After disconnecting, carefully lift the old battery out of the device. Before installing the new battery, it's a good idea to clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure a good connection and help the new battery adhere properly. Now, take your new battery and align it in the compartment. Connect the battery connector back to the motherboard, making sure it is snugly in place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the battery. If you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this yourself, we can help. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so there's no need for calls or travel. Once the battery is secured, it's time to reattach the screen. Before doing so, ensure that all connections are firm and that there are no loose screws. Apply a new adhesive strip around the edges of the screen if necessary. Carefully place the screen back onto the device, ensuring it aligns properly with the body. Press down firmly along the edges to seal the adhesive and secure the screen in place. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to test the new battery. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. If you find any issues or prefer assistance, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our service. Thank you for following along, and happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.